Hello everyone. Tonight we're diving into DePIN, a new breed of crypto revolutionizing infrastructure. Imagine communities creating their own networks. That's the promise of DePIN, a decentralized, resilient infrastructure. So how did we get here? What led us to this pivotal moment in the evolution of technology and finance? It started with a catchy name. In 2019, IoTex coined MachineFi to connect and monetize IoT devices using blockchain. In 2021, Masari's poll highlighted DeFi for the physical world, sparking interest in DePIN. Concepts like proof of physical work and EdgeFi emerge, shaping decentralized infrastructure. DePIN brought these ideas together, creating a framework for decentralized physical infrastructure. Okay, enough with the history lesson. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How does DePIN actually work? At its core, DePIN relies on three main components. One, physical infrastructure, network. This is the actual hardware that makes up the network. Think solar panels, wind turbines, wireless routers, sensors, basically anything that can be connected and controlled remotely. Two, off-chain compute infrastructure. This is where the data from the physical infrastructure is processed and analyzed. It could be anything from edge computing devices to decentralized cloud networks. Three, blockchain architecture and token incentives. This is the glue that holds it all together. The blockchain provides a secure and transparent way to track ownership and usage of the network, while token incentives encourage people to participate and contribute their resources. For example, imagine a DePIN network for renewable energy. Individuals could buy tokens that represent ownership of a solar panel or wind turbine. They could then use these tokens to access clean energy or sell them on a marketplace to others who need it. The blockchain would track the energy production and consumption, ensuring transparency and fairness. This system not only promotes the use of renewable energy, but also democratizes access to it. By decentralizing the infrastructure, DePIN empowers individuals and communities to take control of their energy needs. It's a revolutionary approach that combines technology, sustainability, and community engagement to create a more equitable energy landscape. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds very futuristic, John, but is it actually realistic? Well, here's the thing. The world is already moving towards a more connected and decentralized future. The number of smart devices and sensors is exploding. By 2025, it's estimated that there will be over 75 billion connected devices worldwide. That's more than 9 devices for every person on the planet. This massive influx of data and devices is putting a strain on existing infrastructure. Centralized networks are struggling to keep up, and the costs of building and maintaining them are skyrocketing. DePIN offers a more sustainable and cost-effective alternative. By leveraging the power of blockchain and token incentives, we can create a more resilient, efficient, and accessible infrastructure for everyone. Section 5, DePIN's impact, transforming infrastructure one token at a time. Let's be clear, DePIN is not just about making a quick buck in the crypto market. It has the potential to transform critical infrastructure sectors and empower individuals in ways we've never seen before. Imagine a world where internet access is a basic human right, provided by a decentralized network of community-owned routers. Renewable energy is abundant and affordable, generated by a network of solar panels and wind turbines owned by everyday people. Smart cities are truly intelligent, powered by a decentralized network of sensors that optimize traffic flow, reduce pollution, and improve public safety. This is the future that DePIN can unlock. By decentralizing control and ownership of critical infrastructure, we can create a more equitable, sustainable, and innovative society. Section 6, the challenges and opportunities of DePIN adoption. Now let's not get ahead of ourselves. DePIN is still in its early stages, and there are significant challenges to overcome before it can reach its full potential. One of the biggest hurdles is scalability. Building and managing a decentralized network of physical assets is no easy feat. It requires robust technology, reliable hardware, and most importantly, widespread adoption. Another challenge is regulation. Governments and regulatory bodies are still grappling with how to classify and regulate cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. DePIN projects will need to navigate this evolving regulatory landscape carefully to avoid running afoul of the law. However, these challenges also present significant opportunities. As the DePIN ecosystem matures and attracts more investment and talent, we can expect to see innovative solutions emerge that address these issues head on. Section 7, DePIN versus traditional infrastructure, a comparative analysis. So how does DePIN stack up against traditional centralized infrastructure? Let's break it down. Control. DePIN is decentralized and community owned, while traditional infrastructure is centralized, corporate, or government controlled. Access DePIN is open and permissionless, whereas traditional infrastructure is restricted and often requires permission. Cost DePIN is potentially lower and driven by efficiency, while traditional infrastructure is often high, subject to monopolies and inefficiencies. Security. DePIN is enhanced by blockchain technology, making it more secure, whereas traditional infrastructure is vulnerable to single points of failure. Transparency. DePIN offers high transparency with transactions recorded on the blockchain, while traditional infrastructure is often opaque and lacks accountability. As you can see, DePIN offers several advantages over traditional infrastructure models. It's more democratic, accessible, cost-effective, secure, and transparent. However, it's important to note that DePIN is not a silver bullet. There are still technical, regulatory, and adoption challenges to overcome. Section 8, Conclusion. DePIN, a decentralized future awaits. DePIN is more than just another crypto buzzword. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about and build infrastructure. By harnessing the power of blockchain and token incentives, DePIN has the potential to create a more equitable, sustainable, and innovative future for everyone. It's still early days, but the future of DePIN is bright. As more people wake up to the possibilities of decentralized infrastructure, we can expect to see an explosion of innovation and investment in this space. So buckle up, because the DePIN revolution is just getting started. And on that exciting note, we'll be right back after these messages. Don't go away.